Thank you, Chair. I wish to prosecute the report of Auditor General on Mary Teaching and Referral Hospital for the financial year ending 20. For the financial year ending 2023-2024, Chair. In this year, they had a qualified opinion, Chair. Chair, as guided in the pre-briefing meeting, we'll start with the issue number 1.
We said 1. You combine 1 and 2, and which one? And 5. Unbalanced budget. We said we combine.
Me, Chair.
Oh, you have new team, eh?
Yeah. We were allowed to come in with
okay, then you can
so the rest outside.
You can release
a few minutes to organize ourselves.
2 minutes.
To organize ourselves.
2 minutes.
Yes.
Yeah, 2 minutes.
They are already here, kindly. Thank you, Chair.
We'll give them opportunity to introduce themselves first.
We can release the team that you've dispensed with?
Yes, you can release them.
Okay.
Of course, you can't release the county attorney and CC finance, because that's a common
Thank you, Chair. Create room for the ones that have answered. Their queries. So from my Dr. Mugambi, introduce your team.
Good. Those who have just walked in, if you have not introduced yourselves, you ask for a mic and introduce yourselves.
Thank you, Chairman, and the members of the committee. My name is Dr. Dennis Mugambi. I serve as the CC for Health in Meru County. I will ask the CEO of Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital to introduce himself. And also introduce the other team. Thank you.
Good afternoon, Chair and Committee.
Still morning.
Thank you. Sorry for that. My name is Dr. Bernard Murithi, CEO of Meru Teaching and Referral Hospital.
The others who have not introduced themselves, give them the mic.
Okay, Chair, I had introduced myself in the previous session.
Hii ni Wero TV.
Wagiambura ma mi roko